So this is my new King Tour pack from TCMT. Backrest, matching black latches and hardware. Overall, it's pretty good. This is the first thing I noticed, though. It's like this didn't really fit that well, so you got to kind of like push it in to get it out. Not easy to do one-handed. I ordered mine off Amazon, and it came with all the holes pre-cut out for everything I ordered with it. So I ordered the rear light system, it came cut out for that, and I ordered the side light systems, pre-cut out for that. Holes on the bottom are pre-cut out for that, as well as speaker holes pre-cut out. And then the holes for the backrest are also pre-cut out. Which is very nice. What did not come pre-cut out is the holes for the roof rack, but they actually have little indents to show you where to cut for the roof rack.